Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, this year, from 2021 onwards, IIM Bodhgaya started to launch IPM program, Integrated Program in Management. So, it is of a 5-year program. Uh, Bodhgaya has, if you look into the Bodhgaya itself has, a lot of uh, ancestor, cultural as well as historical values. This is a place where Lord Buddha got enlightenment, and so that is a pride that we have. And that's what we just we were imparting in our curriculum as well. So along with an active student run operation, like the IM also has take pride in its structured pedagogy. We are having a structured pedagogy that we want to follow, and we'll have a real-time industry-based interaction with the student and full in-depth discussion, live classes, and the institute understand the need of the mindfulness. Actually, we say that at present era, because of a lot of pressure, pressure in working as well as in life. So we impart actually the mindfulness to our students, so that they can carry on their life for long. So that is one of our USP that we are focusing mindfulness. We are imparting mindfulness through education. And about the program is structured for the 5 year. The first 3 years that we are planning to for a BBA. So in the BBA we are imparting core subject. We'll have a interdisciplinary subject. We'll have a skill based subject. We'll have ability enhancement subject, and that cover in depth knowledge in all the areas which is required. So we'll have total 150 credits for the first 3 years. Then after that, 2 years is for it will be along with the current MBA batch. So that's how we planned, and it covers all the managerial aspects as well as other extra subjects like history, geography. We are looking into all vast areas of the managerial aspect, so that the student will have a well coverage. The benefit is like we are planning in the final year, sixth semester, we'll have an international student exchange program, and we are focusing on rural immersion. That will be internship will be a rural immersion base, and there will be foreign language, and it is a semester based. We are not focusing tri-semester. It is a semester based program, and we are giving an exit option after 3 years. So after 3 years, somebody want to exit, so they can exit, and we will for them we may awarding a BBA degree. So for test, we are conducting eligibility test, the joint IPM admission test. It is IM Bodhgaya as well as IM Jammu jointly conducting. So it's a JIPMAT, that's the name we have given, and it will be conducted by National Testing Agency (NTA). And the tentative exam date as of now we fixed is 20th June. It might sometime change, but otherwise most probably it is 20th June. That's what we planned. And it's a test. It is almost similar to CAT, but in this test, the max, the level of max will be 10th based, not 12th class. It's a 10th based mathematics. Then the rest of them will be as similar to CAT, but the level of test, the level of difficulty may not be as like CAT. It will be little lesser than the CAT. And the eligibility criteria for applying to the IIM Bodhgaya IPM is born or after 1st August 2001, and 60% in 10th and 12th, in 12th in 2019 or 2020, or appearing in 2021 will be eligible, and 10th of the year 2017 or later, and 5% relaxation in 10th and 12th, and 5 year in age for SC/ST as well as PW candidates. The application notification will be provided on 15th March 2021. And the selection process, we'll have three criteria. Like first is 70% of the score is based on JIPMAT score. Then academic profile, we give 20% weightage. 10th 10 percentage, 12th 10% weightage, and 10% weightage for interview or video based SOP evaluation. That as of now we are not fixed, but either an interview or a video based SOP evaluation will be conducted. And the program fee, the first 3 years, it will be 4.5 lakhs, including hostel fees, but mess fees will be separate. And the last 2 years, as per the MBA batch fee during that time, what is the MBA current MBA batch fee? So that same fees will be continuing for the last 2 years. And we have a minimum CGPA requirement. For minimum CGPA is 5.5 CGPA. For a 5-year program, as well as if somebody is exit option, for them also the minimum CGPA is 5.5 for graduation. And for for after 3 year, moving ahead to the 4th year, that is along with MBA, you need to have minimum 5.5 CGPA to move ahead. And after successful completion of IPM, we will be awarding BBA degree plus MBA degree we will be giving them. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for such a quick introduction about IPM program. So